What if adventure bikes have become too comfortable, too polite, too safe, too predictable? And then Ducati shows up, not to join the game, but to change it. This is the 2026 Ducati DesertX V2, and it wasn't built for comfort. It was built to conquer the wild. Let's be honest. Most adventure bikes today are touring bikes pretending to be off-road machines. Big tanks, big screens, big promises. But the DesertX V2? This one feels different. This isn't a sofa with knobby tires. This is a weapon with headlights. One look at it and you already know this thing means business. The rally-inspired twin LED headlights, the tall stance, the aggressive proportions. This isn't styled for Instagram. It's styled for Dakar energy. Ducati didn't just design a bike. They designed intent. Every line screams movement. Every angle says, let's go further. Underneath that rally bodywork sits the 890 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, around 110 horsepower, raw and responsive. Not overwhelming, not lazy. It's the sweet spot. The torque delivery feels alive. Twist the throttle, and it doesn't hesitate. It reacts. With Ducati, quick shift up and down. Gear changes feel sharp, mechanical, intentional. This is not numb performance. This is mechanical emotion. 21-inch front wheel, 18-inch rear, long travel suspension, real ground clearance. This isn't adventure cosplay. This is geometry built for dirt. Standing on the pegs feels natural. Weight distribution feels balanced. It wants to move. It wants to slide. It wants to climb. And yet, take it back to asphalt. And it still feels precise. That's the trick. It's wild, but it's controlled wild. Of course, it's still a Ducati. Riding modes, cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control. You get the safety net, but here's the difference. The electronics assist you. They don't babysit you. You're still the one in charge. While some brands are building adventure bikes to impress spec sheets, Ducati built this one to challenge riders. Comfort is there, sure. But comfort is not the headline. Capability is. Attitude is. Intent is. The 2026 Ducati DesertX V2 isn't trying to be everything for everyone. It's built for riders who look at a map and see possibility. Who don't ask, can it handle that? They ask, how far can we push it? Built to conquer the wild. The only question is, are you?